Okay, so as you can see, there's something wrong with it on the high setting. I thought it might have been moisture in it and it's dried out, but that doesn't seem to be doing it. It runs kind of intermittently on the high setting, kind of revving up and revving down again. I'm not sure why that is, and what I'd like is your help. If you know what's going on with this little Henry, I thought I might be able to sell it, or yeah, no, I was going to sell it. I wasn't going to keep this one because I've got little Charles hiding out around behind this Dyson. There's one in there, and I've got that yellow pneumatic inside. I thought this would be a good one, but there's obviously something wrong with it. It seems to work fine on the low setting mostly, and then if you put it on the high setting it dies. Any ideas are welcome. Let me know in the comments please. Thanks for watching. See you later.